Good evening, everyone. It's 10:15 here for me right now. What I've done is I've done some work on alias and Grails variants of it, so Grails 2, Grails 3, and all the different variants that you may use on your machine. This is really going to be useful for people using Linux machines and Macs. It's not going to be any good if you're on Windows. None of this will work for you. This video and the tutorial and the stuff that I've done, I'm going to upload onto YouTube and onto my GitHub and provide a link for it, so that you can all reuse this because it's quite handy. It's a way of interacting with Grails without the interactive mode, but to have autocomplete from command line, and it's designed to work for different variants. So what I've done is that I've already done a video on this, which is going to be now redundant, and I've done a document on it, which is again going to be redundant. So to quickly go into this, first of all, for the camera root, if I remove Grails G3, I've got G3 and G4. I don't really use them anymore. I mean, I've got some things going on in my alias, but it's not being used. I'm going to publish all of it of what I've done. So if I've created some functionalities in my bash RC. I've got setup GV, which creates these or spoofs Grails G3 and G4, which is my own custom commands that I've got up here somewhere, you can see. And I've done a new stuff on GV itself, which was this thing that did the aliasing for Grails. So on my machine, what I've done is I've done GV, and if I don't provide a value, by default it will run this 4, which will export out 244. So it's going to my home folder, $grails3, and then in there I've got a folder called Grails244. Grails, as you can see down here, it gets exported. And then this version is the version that is set to. So for 5, for example, it would be 245, and it's the variant of 2. And this Grails AC variable is a new variable which gets exported out, but then gets reused in a new bash autocomplete that I've got for Grails, which basically gets used here, right? So if we go back to here now, so for free, the Grails AC is free. I've done some stuff around Gradle there as well. And if you had another block for free, that obviously have to not be number 4, 5, or 3, might be number 2 if you like, and that might do 302 for you. And that would be G3 again. So to show you how all this works now, if I do which Grails at the moment, nothing comes back. If I do set up GV, so you're going to need to add that stuff to your bash RC. Also, I need to be root to do it. So if I now do it again, it will create some stuff for me. And if I run it again, it says it's already got it. If I go back and we now have a spoofed command. So if you've got Grails installed, the script's going to ignore it anyway. But if you can't find it, it will spoof this command in order for all these aliases to work. Now, to show you the power of what I've done, you can see it above here. And you know, when I did 3, I've got all the autocompletes of 3. When I did 4 somewhere, I've got all the 4, and you'll see it because it's just sort of gone away in my commands, my prompts. So GV3, if I do Grails, and then version 244, right? Grails, and that's all the autocomplete functionalities for Grails 2.44. If I do Grails create app test 44, I mean, sorry, I'm supposed to use the autocomplete, and sometimes I actually completely forget. So it's because I'm getting used to it myself. Browse, create, and now I want to create a domain class called ABC. But you can see it's quite helpful now. So particularly in the world of Grails 3 now, where if you're using your IDE to do the actual coding, and you're going to need command line to do your actual creating domain classes and controllers. I mean, you can do that by manually creating files, but if you wanted to jump to command line, you could use this autocomplete to do things quickly. And I know it's taking a while to do this. So if I come out of it now and then do gv3 Grails, and then now it's the autocomplete of Grails 3. I might have not added version to that, but it's version 3 I want. So if I do now Grails create app test 3, oh, I'm inside of that. Create app test 3. cd test 3 Grails. See, install is a new command of Grails 3 or so if I do Grails create domain class, and now you can see Grails 3 is kicked off and doing its stuff. That wraps up the video. I'll upload the video plus the various bits that needs to get this going, and it will probably be under this documentation folder of my GitHub, and it will be probably a new autocomplete documentation. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoy. Bye.